Alrighty, what I'm about to do is do an unboxing of a new pressure washer I just got. And it is the Black Max 3300 PSI, as you can see in the photo. 2.4 gallons per minute. Has the wheelbarrow style frame, trigger handle flow control, 4 quick connect nozzles, 0 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap. 35 feet of pressure hose for an extended reach. Of course, I'm gonna order some more, and I'm gonna upgrade the hose probably because I just did it with my other pressure washer. But comes with, of course, the instructions. Putting it together. All right, real simple, short, probably sweet, straight to the point. All right. Of course, it's packed very well. I will say that. It's definitely packed very well. So this is the extender for the handle. Quick connect. All right. You have the soap hose. These are probably the wheel bolts. Oil, of course. Oil for it. Some other type of paperwork. I can't do a review of it until I use it. But after I use it, I will do a review. Of course, you have the handle. Feels nice, well built. Cushion for the handle, of course. Brighten it up in here. All right. But again, cushion for the hand. Cushion on the handle. Nice, soft. Seems well built. Nice metal, steel. Metal. Well, steel is a form of metal. You have the 4 nozzles. Okay, they just pop out. You know, that way you don't lose them or misplace them. There's 4 of those, of course. It also has some type of strap. As you can see, the logo, a Bayer Black Max 3300 PSI, 2.4 gallons per minute, GPMs. All right. Yeah, it's definitely packed very well. I will say that. You have the nozzle itself, the handle, has where you can different settings. All right, so let's set that to the side. More packaging, of course, for support. And let's try to get to the side there. This thing is quite heavy. Okay. You have the machine itself. You have the machine itself, and I'm going to end up putting it together and get some actual better pictures of it. Has the gas tank. All right. The motor itself, on and off switch, the oil filler tubes, the spark plug, of course your pull cord is back here. Your air filters. So let's see what else is in the box. you have, I think it's 30 feet of hose. And as I said, I'm gonna update to the quick connect hoses. These are the screw type. I'm gonna update to the quick connect fittings down the line. Update to the quick connect fittings and the quick connect hoses. And you can get them also in 50 feet. And I'm gonna get 2 of those that have 100 feet. All right, the seam's all right. I just like the other type of hose, and that's what it is. And more packaging. Last but not least, you have some nice wheels. I'm actually impressed with the wheels. Look like some old style craters for the cars. Actually, this seems to be hard rubber. There's no way you can air it up. So, okay, it says flat free. Maximum speed 6 miles per hour. I don't know why you would be pulling this over that. But I like the wheels. All right, it's pretty nice. Of course, you have 2 of those. So that is actually the unboxing of the Black Max 3,300 PSI, 2.4 gallon a minute per minute, premium gas pressure washer. Wheel bearer frame, trigger handle with flow control. So I'm assuming this right here determines the flow control. Okay. 35 feet of hose, of course. And then the tube for the soap, your soap tube or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video and then start another video of me just actually putting it together. And after I end up using it, then I'll do a review of it. Alrighty, this is TJ the Handyman. I'm gonna put you on the next video. Now I can change that later. Alrighty, so now it's time to actually put it together. So, of course you have the instructions as well, everything else is here. The frame, the handle, the hose, the nozzle itself, the gun itself, the the connector, the panel, the wheels, the oil, of course the instructions, a couple of nuts and bolts, some more instructions, your soap filler tube. Alright, so what we're going to do is open the soap to the package and just dump it out. Make sure we turn the oil straight up. Premium 4-cycle small engine lubricant. Alright, 4-cycle engine. Manual. And this is probably the warranty information. Alright, set that to the side. Okay, put that in the box. Alrighty, leave that on there. You know, got to show all because it's new. Alright, so what we're going to do here is probably first, let's see what the instructions say. Oh, let's do the wheels first. Install the wheels, CJ6. Oh, that's the first thing to do. Why do I have to go to page 6? Seems like some type of quick connect. So to install the wheels. Oh, okay, I got it. Actually, for the wheels, it's just the cotter key. You have 2 cotter keys, 2 heavy-duty washers, and 2, we'll call them bolts. All right. So that's simple, common sense. So let me set this to the side. Let me turn the machine around. All right. And all you're going to do is put a washer on it after you put the wheel on. All right, this is the back side. This is the front side. So you actually take the bolt, put it in there, put the washer on the back side. There is a hole right here. You slide that in. You slide that in, and you're going to have to turn it to be able to put the cotter key in, and I'll get a photo for you. Let me get the other wheel on the same way. Again, this is the face. Open slots is the rear. You take the bolt itself, just drop it in there, turn it over while holding it. Your other washer, all right? And as you can see, there's a little bitty hole right there for the cotter key once you line it up to lock it in on the opposing side. So you put the washer on, all right? Lift it up and go ahead and place it correctly in the hole. Then you have to line up the hole on the pin before installing the cotter keys. Alrighty, now that we have the wheels on there, what we're going to do is place the cotter key in the hole on this side once you line it up and snap it in. That locks the tire in, and you go to the opposing side and you repeat the process. Alrighty, what we're going to do next is actually install the handle. So I'll take pictures. There are push-in clips right here, little pins. All right, I'll take a close-up. Of course, you have your handle, and your handle has two recessed holes. Once you set it down on there, line it up, you push the pins in on both and lock it in. If you need to take the handle down for storage, you just push them in and pull it up. Push down, lock in, push in, pull up. Oh, yeah, that's nice. Low profile, too. Alrighty, what we're about to do next is put the handle on, the cover on, where it holds the different nozzles as well as your wand or your gun, so to speak. So there's 4 holes here for 4 screws, Phillip head of course. So you line the holes up on each side. Alright. Start screwing them in by hand. Alright. Then what you do is get you a Phillips screwdriver. No, if you got a drill, you can use a drill, but no reason to. These are short screws. Of course, if you're in a rush, you can use a drill and cut off 10 seconds, 20, 30 seconds maybe. Probably, but more like 30 seconds. Alright. It doesn't need to be that tight. Don't over tighten. Just snug it down. Go back to make sure they're snug. Alright. And there you have that. Now the handle is on, the wheels are on, the cover is on with the tips. Alright. And we'll move on to the next part of it, putting it together. Alrighty, we're in the final stages of putting the Black Max 3300 PSI 2.4 gallons per minute pressure washer together. So we have the handle on, we have the cover on, we have the wheels on, we have the handle nozzle put together. Alright. Now what we need to do is put the hose, connect the hose to the nozzle. Box cutter, of course. Or you can just untie it. Have a box cutter or a knife. It's a lot easier. You just do it like that.